good day guys. So for today's video, I will going to disassemble this PC or system unit. So these are the tools that we need to assemble a PC or a system unit. So now I will going to start to disassemble this PC. So first we will going to pull this one to open the case of a system unit. So this is the case of a system unit. Next, I will going to remove the power supply. First, we should remove the ATX 24-pin connector and the 4-pin power cable. This is the 4-pin power cable and the ATX 24 connector. And also the Molex on the hard drives, plug it to remove the power supply. So now all cables are removed that are connected to motherboard and hard drive. So now we will remove the screw in the power supply. Now the power supply is already removed. So next I will going to remove the SATA 1 and SATA 2. So now I will remove the first hard drive. Then the second one. So the next step, I will remove the front panel power connector so that I will remove the aluminum heatsink. So to remove the aluminum heatsink, I will remove the screw both sides. Then next, I will remove the CPU fan. Now the CPU fan and the CPU fan connector. So this is the CPU fan connector and the CPU fan. Now I will remove the internal speaker connector. So this is the internal speaker connector and this is the internal speaker. So we remove the connector. Next I will remove the motherboard. So I will remove the screw. So now I will remove the motherboard already. So now I will remove the RAM and also the CPU. So now I already disassembled the system unit.